In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add project in Behance. We'll walk through the full process from your homepage to a polished, published project, so you can showcase your work clearly and professionally. Start on the Behance homepage. At the top right, click Share Your Work. Then choose Project. This opens the project editor, which is where everything comes together. Here, you can upload images, add text, build photo grids, or embed videos and interactive prototypes. Upload your visuals either one by one or in a batch, both work fine. If you are still deciding on the sequence, don't worry. You can rearrange anything later by simply dragging items into the order that tells the best story. Use text blocks to add brief context. Explain your process or highlight results. Keep captions concise and consistent so your audience can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. To optimize your layout, aim for a seamless full-width look. Make sure your images are at least 1,400 pixels wide, so they display crisply on larger screens. Then open the Styles menu and set content spacing to 0 if you want your visuals to flow edge to edge without gaps. This is great for case studies, lookbooks, or any presentation that benefits from a cinematic feel. If you prefer breathing room, you can increase spacing later. But starting at 0 helps you see how everything aligns. As you build, use the preview to check readability, contrast, and pacing from a viewer's perspective. Next, refine your first impression with a strong project cover. Click Edit Cover to choose a thumbnail from within your project or upload a custom image. Pick something that clearly represents the core of your work, with clean composition and legible elements at smaller sizes. Think of it as the storefront sign for your project. When you are ready, click Continue to add your project details. Create a clear, concise title that states what the project is. Add tags, keywords like UI design, branding, or illustration to improve discoverability. List the tools you used, such as Figma, Photoshop, or Illustrator, to provide context for your process. Then choose the most accurate categories so your work appears in the right creative fields. Before publishing, set visibility and license. Decide whether to make your project public or keep it private while you refine. Select a copyright license that reflects how you want others to use or share your work. Finally, click Publish to make your project live. Or save it as a draft if you want to continue editing later. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.